Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we are going to talk about easy garden ornaments to make with your kids. This video will take you through the most fun you can have with your kids by making easy garden ornaments, so make sure you stick around for that. Rock caterpillars. If you have rocks lying around, you can make fun, colorful caterpillars that can brighten your garden. All you will need is outdoor paint and E6000 glue or any strong glue that can hold rocks. Allow your kids to get creative by painting caterpillars with mixed colors and different numbers of eyes and legs. Colorful mason jars. Colorful mason jars will bring out various colors in the garden and can be an easy project for children. You only need clear mason jars, white glue, and several food colors. Let them go crazy with the coloring, and when they are dry, you can hang them up. Wood wind chimes. Kids can have fun making wind chimes of different colors using wood. Collect wooden sticks with your children and let them paint with varying shades of the rainbow. When done, the wind chimes can be hung outside the house. When the wind blows, the wood sticks hit each other, creating a beautiful sound. Painting birdhouses. If you have a wooden birdhouse, you can keep it from looking dull, especially when the kids are ready to get their hands dirty. They can use bright colored paint to paint birdhouses that attract birds. When the paint dries, the wood will have a very vibrant stain. Pressed leaf and flower art. You can go foraging for different flowers or leaves in your garden or elsewhere. Press them in between books, and after some days, they will dry. Your kids can then use glue sticks and arrange them in different styles on cardboard. Hang them out in the garden to complement nature. Use clear varnish so they can last longer. Fairy gardens. Children love fairy tales, and this project allows them to create fairy tales of their imagination. You only need tiny furniture, plants, stones or pebbles, fairy figurines like gnomes, princesses, dragons, and dirt. Allow your children to go wild with a project and see how crazy it gets. So there you have it. Creating garden ornaments is a fun way for children to channel their creativity and improve their motor skills. If you enjoyed this, like, comment, or share this video. Till next time.